The Geeetech Mini 3D printer is an excellent choice for beginners and children, offering a user-friendly experience with its fully assembled design and simple knob operation. With its high-speed printing capability, the printer can achieve speeds up to 250 millimeters per second, making it efficient for completing complex projects quickly. Equipped with an innovative direct drive extruder, this printer provides high torque and precision, allowing it to handle various materials like TPU and PLA with ease. The auto-leveling feature and heated build plate ensure precise and reliable prints by minimizing warping and facilitating easy model removal. The Geeetech Mini 3D printer is a valuable educational tool, featuring a 2.4-inch LCD color screen and high-brightness lighting, making it ideal for STEM learning. Additionally, the printer offers a robust support system with a 30-day return policy, 12 months of free repairs, and lifetime technical assistance.